Welcome to another video from Joker Tech. My name is Mike Dixon, and today we have a set of headphones, wireless headphones here, Samsung Level U Pro. And let me just give you a, well, before I start that, just real quick, I got the phone here that I'm going to pair it up with, and if you happen to take notice of the crack here, no, that's not the screen. That's the actual screen protector. Details, I'm going to try and do a follow-up video on the phone and on the headphones, probably I'm going to try and do it on the next video on my performance and all the other goodiness of what we got going on here. But no, that's not a crack. That is the screen protector. Apparently it didn't like being in my wife's purse. So back to the headphones real quick. Samsung Level U Pro. I'm going to tell you folks, I've had this box sitting in, I got totes, various totes, and us techies, we all keep our boxes. We keep literature boxes, the wrappings. We're weird. We are a pack rat when it comes to our tech. So these were free with the purchase of, you ready for this? This is how old these are. With the purchase of a Motorola G4. Yes, the Motorola G4. I gotten these headphones. It was some kind of deal B&H was dealing out, and you know, of course, free. And then the phone was for my mother, in which I'll try and find that video, maybe link it somewhere in here, where my mother picked out. She had her choice of which Moto phone she was wanting to go with, but she wasn't, she didn't know about this. So I've been holding on to these, and it's my bad. I got content to make, and I got stuff like this sitting in a box, not being used. So what I thought of is this is, God, how old this could be, I have no idea. I started the channel in 2015, maybe 2016 when I got my mom the phone. So safe to say I would say for 4 years. For 4 years, I think. I have to go back. I don't know. You can see the date when I post that video. But that's how long these headphones have been around. And one thing I've noticed is lately is this style. This style of headphones. Now these are paired to my S10, the true wireless headphones. This is the going thing right now. This was the hotness at the time, and look how far we've come. Okay, how many people you see walking around with the horse collar style? Not many. So enough talking. Let's open this up. First time, you can see here the tape is still on it. First time I'm cutting into this and getting into these particular headphones. No, I have no phones. I have no phones still stored in those totes. Trust me. I have other headphones I want to break out. I actually have a Philips Hue lighting setup. So yeah, look for those coming out. So here is the Samsung's Level. Now I'm going to just kind of unbox them here, and then I'm going to pause the video, and then I'm going to put them on. So piece of tape holding the headphones in place. More tape. And let's see what this is. What's in this box? Ooh, tore into it. So we have here instructions. Never going to use them. Okay, charging cord. No charging brick, but a charging cord using micro USB. old standard. And we have additional tips, ear tips for different sizes. Okay, so let me break these open, get these out of the box. Now, I know that I've seen before, some of these were retractable. Now, let me see something here. Did I see them magnetized? Yes. I don't know if I caught that. Hopefully I caught that on the camera. I'm more watching what I'm doing down here. So they are magnetized. That's interesting. Now, do they retract? No, they don't seem to retract. Okay, we have plus for raise the volume, lower the volume, and pause and play. I doubt it. You know what? I doubt it they're going to have any juice in them. But we're going to try. S voice. That's pretty much a thing of the past. That's how old it is. Now, I wonder if this uses the Gear app. Gearware app that's on most today's Samsung phones. English. Here we go. Copyright 2015. I don't know if you see that there. Well, after an overnight charge, I thought I could try and just give it a quick charge. It doesn't charge quickly. I found out it's definitely older technology, and here's just the early impressions with these headphones I got right now. A few things I kind of left out, so I'm going to wedge this into the video. I did a quick phone call test. My wife is always the guinea pig. Gave her a quick call. She said it sounded fine. She sounded fine on my end. Listened to definitely some YouTube videos. Listened to some music. And, you know, I'm going to tell you right now. I had the OnePlus. I still have the OnePlus wireless earbuds from way back on the OnePlus 6 days. And I said for that, for the price I paid, I expected some good sound out of them. You know, it's on par with them. It was okay. You know, it played the music. I'm not no audiophile. It didn't sound like garbage. I've had some garbage headphones before. The LG ones I had long ago, they were another horseshoe collar headphones. And yeah, you know, music was good. Phone call was good. It's still early. I'm going to, like I said, visit this after having it for a few more days. And it's going to be my primary headphones. And I don't know if it's coming into the camera. I want to also give a quick shout out before I continue on to my wife. She's holding the camera for today. Say hi to everybody.
Hi, everybody.
There we go. Thank you. And so anyway, early impressions is this. Functional. It does what it needs to do. No extra bells and whistles. Compared to some other phones I try to use Google Assistant on it, it works to a point. It does pick up the Hey G part of it. I asked it to try and read my messages. It doesn't. When I have text messages incoming, it is a very light tone compared to some other messages. You know, some other headphones I've used. The distance, it really is poor. Basically, I have a small house, which I'm shooting on my front porch, and a lot of my headphones I've used, wireless headphones I've used, I can make it to the kitchen before it starts breaking up. Here, I get before the kitchen. So, again, I can't complain for free. And I'm going to have these, I'm going to be going away for a few days, and I'm going to give these a try. So, I don't know, Pat, can you got a close up of the ear in the earpiece here? Now, I didn't change the little buds. They're the ones that came with the headphones. Like I said, there are other smaller or larger ones. So, and real quick too, I just realized too, I wanted to say is I'm having this conversation and with them in there, and they're not falling out. I don't get this sense, and I've walked around so far this morning with them in my ears, and doing things, walking outside, taking out some trash, listening to video, answering phone calls, doing some other activities. I haven't eaten with them in my ears, but talking. Yeah, I know that looks funny, but you do those motions, other ones will pop out. So I'm going to do a follow-up video on these headphones and also using the S8 Plus. You like today's video, give it a thumbs up. You don't like today's video, don't give me a thumbs down. Or give me a thumbs down, but tell me why in the comments. Just don't leave a thumbs down and split. Again, I'm Mike Dixon, this is Joker Tech, and I see you guys in the next video.